Ano ba ha?
Oh, kumya.
Lamig.
Narang puli kini ki di beberapa ki advertisement.
Balay sila penjenjar ya lagi. Papinjit kerpang kini. Like link bawah ke shulong.advertisement.com. Pinjok buat ki jingpei na. Bat ki berita ki shula. Link bawah ke shulong.advertisement.com.
Ubah persetuan tinsong sembut macam bah kejala Meghalaya uloong bola i ke jingpei tuid ke interstate bus terminus ISBT Mawïong hendrai kamut pat ba kamlong shuh ke shngaiñ nak banta kinong lek nang wan uloong badai ketak perlu di building ba pentre ya ke ISBT Mawïong bat ken hap ban simkhia uloong badan ki engineer ba peit pat penya ya ke jing pentre bat ya menta ki dangit nya pat le se kandan ke jing penbah.
Well, I think that you see allegation can be made yesterday or today or tomorrow, whatever. But we have to go deep down to this issue. So because see this work is being implemented by PUD. So PUD has to take care of all this issue. And as I said to you, because see the system is what? The engineers and then the SDOs, the junior engineers are always there to supervise the implementation, the execution of the construction work. So therefore, the system is, as I said to you, is already in place. So maybe we will find out what is happening, and then I think if need be, immediate rectification needs to be done. We talk about how to improve it, or if need be, repair it, or need be, reconstruct it. That's it. See, that's what you know, the general opinion of people is so easy. Blaming only the contractor. I told you the system in the government. We only have the system in place. What is the system? Be it extreme engineer. Because see, who prepare bill? The bill has to be prepared by the SDO, by the JE, according to the satisfaction seen on the ground. Then they prepare the bill and they release the bill to the concerned contractors. Not only ISBT, the entire project in the state of India. So therefore, if any mistake, I think number one is officer who's looking after this. I think they need to punish also. Because quality, see, we are all layman. How do we know? I'm not a technical expert. That's why we kept them to supervise the work. So that is important. I think the question of safety right now it is good, but the leakage, I've seen it also. The leakages is so much. So just because of the leakages is there, is it not safe? It is safe, but what I'm trying to tell you, wherever need be to be done, they need to do it. So we have already asked the engineer concerned, we have already asked all the technical wing who has been there till the completion of the project. So they are the ones who do things.
Halo ke jingking maulai bypass uloong bakam dei ke jingtorti bante ya ka handrei ke dei nakadaw ke jing slap palat bat ke bor mariang uloong bolap tha iki officer bat engineer katnat banle ya ke badon kam
pi ke jingking haisa kamlong thread ke jingking ke formation ke ngatai ka piang lu te handrei ke superstructure nomor ba hakane ke jing lapa opsan ke kata nomor ka ke baklan ka koren ke ke baklan ke mentan ngala ayo da ngai instruction ya UC nanti engineer bakin lek. Ya kan dengan itu kan dia kebuat kemarin. Nama PPP bahkan usul untuk kerautan jong kasuang. Kan dia itu. Dia ada kapum kaya yang tidak sulok. Tangan teman-teman kesulok berbahan. Kita tiga saya. Dia nak tahu mungkin kan dia kebuat kemarin. Kalau we never expected. Harga damages is so huge throughout the state. Dia kata